Huge bi-articulated or double-decker buses equipped with luxurious interiors, which are designed to provide a high level of safety and comfort to passengers on urban commutes or long-distance journeys. These are the 10 largest buses in the world. Number 10. Setra Top Class 500. It is a high-performance 3-axle bus that has been manufactured in Germany by the Setra Bus Company. It is designed to provide maximum security with maximum comfort and is characterized by its exclusive design. It measures 14.1 meters in length by 2.5 meters in width and 3.8 meters in height. It has an engine with 500 horsepower and a torque of 2,500 Newton meters. It has a spacious interior with multiple equipment and driver assistance systems. This bus is ideal for long journeys and has space for a total of 59 passengers. Number 9. Van Hool TDX27 Astromega. It is a high-end double-decker bus that has been manufactured in Belgium by the Van Hool Company. It is designed to provide a high level of comfort and safety and to optimize fuel consumption. It has multiple equipment for both passengers and the driver. It measures 14.1 meters in length by 2.5 meters in width and 4 meters in height. It has an engine with 483 horsepower and a torque of 2,500 Newton meters. It has space for a total of 95 passengers and can be used for medium and long-distance journeys. Number 8. Volvo 9800. It is a highly efficient 3-axle bus that has been manufactured in Sweden by the Volvo Company. It is designed to offer maximum continuous runtime and to optimize fuel consumption. It measures 15 meters in length by 2.6 meters in width and has a weight of 24.7 tons. It has an engine with 500 horsepower and a torque of 2,500 Newton meters. It has multiple driver assistance systems and automatic vehicle height reduction function. It has space for a total of 29 passengers and is used on long-distance journeys. Number 7. Marco Polo Paradiso New G7 1800DD. It is a double-decker bus with a high level of sophistication which has been manufactured in Brazil by the Marco Polo Company. It is designed to provide the highest level of safety and comfort. It measures 15 meters long by 2.6 meters wide and 4.1 meters high. It has an engine with 440 horsepower and a torque of 1,550 Newton meters. It has a fuel tank with 600 liters of capacity and can reach a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. It is used on medium and long-distance routes and has space for a total of 64 passengers. Number 6. Akia Ultra LF25. It is a 5-axle bi-articulated bus that has been manufactured in Turkey by the Akia Company. It is designed to provide great safety and maneuverability and a high load capacity. It measures 25 meters in length by 2.5 meters in width and 3.4 meters in height. It has an engine with 456 horsepower and a torque of 2,200 Newton meters. It has multiple security systems and a total of 8 side doors located on both sides. It has space for a total of 290 passengers, and at present, this bus is being used in countries such as Turkey. Number 5. BYD K12A. It is a 4-axle electric bi-articulated bus which has been manufactured in China by BYD Company. It is designed to function as a rapid transit bus and has 2 traction modes to be able to circulate on different types of terrain. It measures 27 meters in length and has space for a total of 250 passengers. It can reach a maximum speed of 70 kilometers per hour and has a range of 300 kilometers. It is equipped with 2 drive axles of 800 horsepower in total and is currently the longest electric bus in the world. Number 4. Volvo B340M. It is a 4-axle bi-articulated bus that has been manufactured in Sweden by the Volvo company. It measures 28 meters long by 2.4 meters wide. It has an engine with 340 horsepower and a torque of 1,700 Newton-meters. Its speed is limited to 60 kilometers per hour, and it has 2 fuel tanks with a total capacity of 540 liters. It is equipped with an automatic speed control system that works together with a GPS, identifying risk areas and reducing speed. It has space for a total of 300 passengers and is currently used in countries like Brazil. Number 3. Scania F360HA. It is a 4-axle bi-articulated bus that has been manufactured in Sweden by the Scania company. It is designed to provide reliability and high stability at speeds of 70 kilometers per hour. Its engine runs at low revs to optimize fuel consumption and low cost of maintaining. It measures 28 meters in length by 2.6 meters in width. It has an engine with 360 horsepower and a torque of 1,850 Newton-meters. It is currently used as a rapid transit bus in countries such as Brazil and has space for a total of 280 passengers. Number 2. Marco Polo Vial BRT. It is a robust and reliable 4-axle bi-articulated bus which has been manufactured in Brazil by the Marco Polo company. It is built on a Volvo chassis and is designed to provide safety and efficiency in rapid transport systems. It measures 28.5 meters in length by 2.6 meters in width and has a space for a total of 230 passengers. It has an engine with 340 horsepower and a torque of 1,700 Newton-meters. It is equipped with internal and external cameras to increase passenger safety. It is currently used in rapid transport systems in countries such as Brazil or Guatemala. Number 1. Autotram Extra Grand. It is a 5-axle hybrid bi-articulated bus that has been manufactured in Germany by the Gopel Bus Company. It is designed to cause less environmental impact with greater transport capacity. It measures 30.7 meters in length by 2.5 meters in width and 3.4 meters in height. It weighs 27 tons and is equipped with a 610 horsepower engine. It features advanced power steering technology for easy maneuvering and can be recharged while riding. It can be used on urban transit lines in large cities and has space for a total of 256 passengers. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment saying about what other types of vehicles you would like to see a new video about. If you like the channel, please subscribe and activate notifications so you don't miss the next video.